how to put columns on just part of the Google Doc page. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can put columns on just a part of your Google Doc page. So now without further ado, let's get started. So for this, we will use table to create columns just where we want them. So start by typing your main content below and then go back to where you want the column to begin. Now here, simply go to the insert and after that, from the drop down menu, simply click on table. Now here, insert one row and two column table. And here use the left cell for the first column and the right cell for the second column. And to remove the table borders, simply go to the format at the top and from the drop down menu, simply click on table. And after that, on the drop down menu, simply scroll down and tap on table option. And after that, a pop-up menu will appear from the right side. So here, simply click on color and under the table border color, set the border width to 0 pt. And that's it. Now you have got custom columns on just part of your Google Doc. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.